What's good, everybody? Corbino here, and we got ourselves another supply drop. I believe this is our third one, and I'm excited for a couple of reasons. Because the first two boxes were pretty dang good. The first box I got was the first half of Season 9 merch, like Old Man Rick era. And the second box I got was stuff going with the all new beginning, basically. 6 years later, Judith grown up, stuff like that. I don't know what's been in the other boxes. I know in one of them there was like something Shiva, and one of them maybe had Sasha or something. So maybe those are like Season 7 and Season 8 boxes. I'm not quite sure. But this is my third box now, and I was thinking, man, this is going to be awesome. It's got some Whisperer stuff. But now I don't know, because it's a Terminus sign, and it says Sanctuary for All, Community for All. Those who arrive, survive. And then it has the Georgia map, which I have right over there, and it's the Terminus map. So, I don't know. We'll find out what's in here. This is the spoiler thing. Okay. Oh, this looks like Variety. And then, on the inside here, before we start getting too into it, we got where Rick marked it all out, and it says no sanctuary. Okay, let's get into this. I'm gonna do the t-shirt first, which looks great. It says Whispers, Whisperers, 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 and we got Alpha and other Whisperers behind her. It's a nice shirt. Soft also. Okay, so that's good. Let's see. Yo, 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 yo! I'll get to that in a second. I'm already excited. I'm gonna guess this is a poster of some sort. 3D glasses, okay. That explains the spoiler thing. I'll show you all of that later. It's got Negan on the front, and he kind of looks 3D-ish. Maybe if I can ever get this poster out. Or whatever it's gonna be. Okay. Just looks like a zombie poster, and it's gonna be in 3D. Okay, it's actually really dope. I don't understand how these make things 3D, and like, movies used to be in 3D like this, not the black ones, black glasses, but like it actually looks 3D. It doesn't, at first I thought maybe it was a wolf zombie, and then I thought it was a Clara from Season 4, but I don't know. It looks like just zombies. So here's the poster, kind of. It's in 3D. Next item I'm excited about, because it's a pop socket. I can't see the front yet, so I don't know, but I just sold out of the rest of our Stay Geeky pop sockets, and mine I've had for over a year, and I play with it a lot, so it's really garbagey now, and so I need a new one. And this one is Alpha. Nice. It's Alpha whispering going shh. So I'll probably use this. This is actually really dope. Let me show you guys up close. That's really awesome. Okay. Next we got is AMC supply drop. Oh, and the other thing is Lucille is thirsty. Looks like it's just a metal bottle. Yep, just a metal bottle you can clip onto your stuff, you know. Nice bottle. Next we got is a Terminus lunchbox. With the Terminus map on it. Let me make sure there's like nothing. Yeah, just a Terminus lunchbox. Which, I mean, it's nice. It looks like the train cars on the side of it. So I don't really know what the theme of this one was. I was thinking maybe, oh, there's still something, sorry. Oh, there's still more. Okay. We have, what is this, a decal for a car or something? It's got, you know how we evolve, it has like the apes and slowly becoming human. Well, it has that, but then it ends with a zombie. If you, almost, alright, I'm a failure. There's that. And then this is Alpha, the villains. Oh, it's a trading cards. Go ahead and open this, see what we got. There's Beta. Collect these exclusive in the app. Flip for details. We got Negan and we got the Governor. exclusive in the app. I don't really know what in the app means. It's on the back, but I'll go ahead and just show you on this card what they look like. That's what it kind of looks like. It's a villain type thing because we got Terminus, trading cards with villains. Zombies, I guess, are villains. Lucille is thirsty. This is basically zombies, I guess. Whisper. So, I mean, yeah, it seems like it's a villain box, which I'm surprised. I guess there was, not counting the trading cards, there was 2 Whisper things, 2 Terminus, only 1 like Negan thing. That's what's surprising. And you'd think there'd be something Governor, or maybe Shane even. But I mean, this is 3D also, this Negan thing. Yeah, he looks pretty 3D also. Not as 3D as the zombies. But yeah, it's just Negan with his bat. Okay, Evolution of Walker card decal. Underneath the last one, it says AMC The Walking Dead. I didn't realize. Okay, so these cards are exclusive to this box, which you could have gotten a red or black water bottle, or, you know, whatever you call that type of bottle. Yeah, water bottle. Which we got red. Everything else is the same, but we could have, for Negan the Governor, Alvin and Beta Plus, get the digital trading cards. So there's an app where you can get digital versions of these, and it's from Topps, which I figure is probably like the #1 trading card company. But yeah, if you get this box, this is the only place you can get these 4 cards that we got. So yeah, it was definitely a good box. My favorite item is the pop socket, because I needed a new pop socket. So that's awesome. Yeah, it was a good box. I was hoping for more of Season 9 stuff, because I thought maybe we were doing it with whatever season we were in. But I guess well, this is villains, but we should have more throwback boxes. You know, maybe a prison box with everything from Season 4 and 3, maybe a farm box, you know, something like that. Or on the road box for all of the times they're just on the road, like traveling. Yeah, it was a good box though. I definitely enjoyed it. And if you guys want a supply drop, I will put the link down below, along with a sponsor down below. So check all that out. And until next time, shh.